Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how I made this easy baked chicken and peppers recipe. I love this chicken recipe with mashed potatoes. It's so good and very easy to make. Let's get started. We're using chicken legs and bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs for this recipe. We're going to start by drizzling some olive oil all over the chicken. I went ahead and sliced up some bell peppers and an onion. I'm going to toss those right in. Next, we're going to add some minced garlic and a bunch of spices. We're adding garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and Italian seasoning. Next, we're going to add a combination of Italian dressing and vinaigrette. These two are great for marinating chicken because they have vinegar, garlic, and all sorts of spices in there. Season with a generous amount of salt and black pepper to taste. Then we're going to mix everything together. Once very well mixed in, go ahead and transfer it into a baking pan. Then arrange everything into a single layer. To give the chicken a little bit of color, we're going to sprinkle some paprika all over the chicken and peppers. Next, we're going to toss some sliced butter all over the chicken. Then place the chicken into the fridge to marinate for at least 2 hours in order to soak in all of those delicious flavors. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. My chicken marinated for about 6 hours. We're going to place the chicken into the oven to bake for 45 minutes. Here's the chicken when it's all done baking. This will have your home smelling so good. The aroma is very delicious. I'm going to serve my chicken over some mashed potatoes. There's going to be so much sauce to enjoy the chicken with. The Italian and vinaigrette dressing we used on the chicken gives the sauce a creamy taste. This is such an easy, delicious meal to make. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.